बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज रिद्धि। सो आई नो कि थोड़े गैप के बाद मैं ये वीडियोस बना रही हूँ एंड आई एग्जैक्टली डोंट नो कि मेरा अगला वीडियो कब आएगा। दिस इज़ बिकॉज अभी जस्ट मेरा इंटर्नशिप ख़त्म हुआ है। एज यू माइट बी नोइंग, मैं इंटर्नशिप कर रही थी VMware में एंड 30 जून को मेरा इंटर्नशिप ख़त्म हुआ है एंड फ्रॉम फर्स्ट आई जॉइंड एज अ फुल टाइम। तो बिफोर एक्चुअली वर्किंग इन माई ओन टीम, हम लोग जितने भी कन्वर्जन्स है ना, और या फिर तो जितने भी फुल टाइमर्स हैं जो लोग अभी ज्वाइन किए हैं, वो लोग का एक बहुत रिगरस बूट कैंप सेशन चल रहा है, बूट कैंप प्लस हैकाथॉन सेशन। तो वी हार्डली गेट एनी टाइम, बट क्योंकि मुझे बहुत सारा रिक्वेस्ट आया कि दीदी प्लीज़ आप वीडियो बनाइए, बहुत हेल्प हो रहा है, तो क्योंकि तुम लोग को हेल्प हो रहा है मैं अपने बिजी शेड्यूल से कुछ टाइम निकाल के वीडियोस बनाने का प्रिपेयर कर रही हूँ या सोच रही हूँ। सो दिस वीडियो इज़ वन सच काइंड ऑफ वीडियो एंड टुडे आई हैड अ गाय हु इज़ प्लेस्ड इन अमेजॉन, और मैं उससे लिंक्डइन में मिली थी एंड थैंकफुली ही एग्रीज टू शेयर हिज एक्सपीरियंस रिगार्डिंग द प्लेसमेंट प्रोसीजर. So without wasting much time, okay, wait, before going to that part of the video, just a short information कि मैंने already एक playlist बनाया हुआ है जिसमें मैंने बाकी सारी कंपनीज के प्लेसमेंट प्रोसीजर के बारे में बताया है। वहाँ पे जाओ, देखो। इफ़ द कंपनी यू वांट टू सी इज़ नॉट देयर देन काइंडली कमेंट, आई विल ट्राई टू मेक द वीडियोस फॉर दैट कंपनी बाय सर्चिंग द पीपल्स. So yeah, let's go and see what he speaks. So, hi Kaushik, how are you?
Hi Vidhi, I'm fine. How about you?
Yeah, I'm good too. So, Kaushik, we will start with a formal introduction. Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah. Hi everyone. This is Kaushik. I'm currently an SD at Amazon. So I've graduated from Shastra University. It's a Tier 3 college, but
Yeah.
then it came to us. Amazon came to us for internship alone. So through campus placement, I had first secured internship, and then in the 6 months duration, based on performance, they have decided to give me a PPO.
Oh, congratulations, Kaushik, for that.
Yeah, thanks, Vidhi.
Yeah. So, which branch you were in your college?
Yeah, I was from computer science engineering.
Okay. So, this Sahastra University, is it in Tamil Nadu?
Yeah, it's in Tamil Nadu. It's near Trichy. It's just beside NIT Trichy.
Okay. So, what was your CGPA at that time when you applied for Amazon or when you went for Amazon?
So my CGPA was 8.2, but then the cutoff of Amazon was 5.5. That means they wanted entire college to write it. They even allowed two arrears also.
Okay, so there was no means criteria that
No
only.
criteria, no criteria, and totally my year 2,200 students wrote entire my.
Oh, oh, okay. So how many got selected for internship along with you?
Finally, internship, 11 of us got selected.
Okay, so all of them got converted to full timers?
Yeah, except two.
Okay, you are lucky enough.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Kaushik, can you tell us that which profile did Amazon offered you?
Yeah, Amazon offered me software development engineer intern.
Okay.
So I had joined as an SD.
Profile for all the students who got
Yeah,
selected.
everyone from our college who got selected got SD intern.
Okay, so yeah, yeah. So what was your overall experience while doing internship?
So the internship was very challenging. In fact, every single day I had to learn something new, and then I had to implement this.
Oh,
One difference which I'll say is in Amazon they don't treat you as an intern; they treat you as a full-time employee. So from the day one when I joined, I had started working on live projects which can impact customers. So if you even a small mistake which you do, if it goes till production, then you'll be affecting a large amount of customers. So they trust you. They give you all of their credentials. There's nothing hidden. You can work as a full-time employee itself, and you can show your productiveness.
that means you got exposure to a lot of things and
Yes.
lot of networks also.
Yes.
Yeah. So Kaushik, can you let us through the overall recruitment process, what all the rounds were, and did you remember any questions from the rounds?
Yeah.
You can list down, means you can say a list of rounds, then you can start elaborating that.
Yeah, sure. So previously till last year it was like 3 rounds in our college, but then they made it 4 rounds this year. So
Okay.
what happens is first online round will be there, where you'll be writing exam on Metal platform with 30 MCQs and two coding questions. So the MCQs are pretty much aptitude, computer science basics, database, everything, all of those. And this one coding questions were like pretty much easy. Some people got easy, some people got medium questions. I got
Okay.
somewhat medium questions.
Okay. So do you remember the coding questions? And
Yeah, one was greedy algorithm.
okay.
So the description is quite big.
Hmm.
I'll let you know later. So
Okay.
other one was simple question only, but then we didn't have option of Python, so we had to do in C++ or Java. The question is, given a 10,000 digit number, find the remainder mod 11.
Oh, okay, okay. So the language barrier was only C++ and Java.
C++ and Java. They did allow Python, but then what happened was when people were trying in Python, it used to say TLE for almost everything. So
Okay.
I would recommend to do either C++ or Java.
Oh, okay. So how many students went for this round? Means entire college went for this
Yeah,
round.
entire year. So 2,200 students wrote, and
Hmm.
shortlisted 42 students.
Oh, okay. From that
Yeah.
mass. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Okay, what was the second round, Kaushik?
Yeah. So the second round was on-spot coding round, wherein 10 recruiters came and they chose four of them with each of them, and they took them to a separate classroom and they wrote two questions on the board. So we were supposed to write the solution on pen and paper, and then we have to impress the recruiter. So the recruiter, they wrote two questions. One was based on trees, another one was based on DFS. Sorry, this one dynamic programming. So I had first given a basic solution for those brute force, but then they were like, yeah, optimize it more. So for each question, I had to give around four optimal solutions, and then they shortlisted 20 amongst 40 to the next interview round.
Okay, so basically here you have to write and also explain your approach, and
Exactly.
that they would counter question you.
Yes, exactly.
Okay,
They'll
so
be looking at our code. They want us to write clean code. That is from the import statement to the last statement. You should write everything.
and here was there any language barrier that okay you
No,
use only Java or
no,
something?
no. But then they did have a criteria that they were not so much impressed with Python guys though.
Oh, so you will recommend to go with Java or C++. plus
Yes,
plus.
that's the best recommendation.
Okay. Then the third round?
Yeah. So third round was face-to-face interview. There, I said no, 11 recruiters came. So each one of them chose two kids with them, and then they call them for interview. So in the interview round, what they do is one thing I've observed peculiar to Amazon is they don't see your resume. I took my resume, I gave it to the recruiter. He was like, okay, fine. I don't want your resume. I want to see what you are. So he kept my resume aside, and then he started asking me coding questions. So he asked me two coding questions. I remember both of them.
Yeah.
One was given a NRE tree, if any one particular node in the tree is affected with a virus, so at t equal to 0, that particular node will die. At t equal to 1, its nearest neighbors will die. And then so on. It spreads like anything. So at every second, we should print what are all the nodes which got affected by the virus.
So basically we have to share, means you have to share your logic and
No, not just the logic. First, they'll ask you for the logic, and then they'll ask you to write the code on pen and paper, and they'll
okay.
give you a sample input. You should traverse the code and you should show the output.
Oh, so how can we show the output in pen and paper?
So we can traverse the code, right? And we can write like this is the first line, this is the second.
Acha, acha, means in the by explaining you have.
Yeah, step by step, everything.
Okay.
So that we have to explain, and then they'll see the correctness of the solution. Then they'll ask you to optimize.
Oh,
So I first wrote n square solution, and then they asked me to optimize. I gave it to n log n, and they were like pretty much satisfied.
Okay, so you were able to solve all the two questions.
Yeah, the second question was next greatest element. It's a famous
अच्छा.
question in Geeks for Geeks.
हाँ, yeah.
But then I admitted to him that I know the solution already, the most optimal solution. So he was like, okay, that's cool. So you're challenging me. And then he said, okay, what can you find next greatest element from the right as well as the left in single traversal?
अच्छा.
So that was a bit tricky. I first didn't get the solution though, but then he asked me to first write for next greatest element alone, and then he suggested me to check in one particular fraction of code if you can solve anything here. So one good thing is they want you to tell your logic outside so that they will understand and they're ready to help always. So even
Okay.
if you don't understand the question or if you're not able to give optimal solutions, but you're able to think optimal solution, you can tell them. They'll get impressed by it. It was around like 45 to 50 minutes, and
Yeah.
entire interview we both of us were talking to each other.
Yeah, that sounds good because this will create an interactive environment.
Yes, they want to reduce the pressure on the candidate. They want to talk and they'll reduce the pressure on the candidate.
Okay, so some any other question from the subject, core subject of CS would they ask?
No, for internship profile because they came, they didn't ask much about it.
Okay.
So they just wanted this basics of coding and logical thinking alone. But then
Okay.
they did ask me some questions about my projects and my resume. So
Okay.
after I finished this coding questions, he took my resume and he started asking some questions about my projects and all.
So means it was a technical interview, all technical questions.
Yeah, completely technical.
Okay.
And the next round was supposed to be HR, but then for some people they conducted, for some they didn't.
Oh,
So
is it?
yeah,
Okay.
so I didn't have HR round.
Okay. Means HR round would be like the more personal and
Yeah,
personality.
yeah. Because my interviewer already asked me, he was talking to me around like 40 minutes, so he asked me more about myself. So I didn't require a special round.
Okay. So after that, almost 11 people got selected.
Yeah, 11 people got selected from a college.
Okay. Yeah. Sounds good, Kaushik.
Yeah.
So, Kaushik, one last question. What do you recommend your juniors who would be preparing for placement and specifically for Amazon? Because lot of student desire to go for Amazon.
Yeah. So what I would suggest is, see, any interview they expect to know what logical thinking you have. They don't bother about your technical skills. So
Yeah.
even though whether you know machine learning or not, if you know any other concepts, Android development or anything or not, I'm a zero development guy. I don't know anything in development before. I
Yeah.
hardly did some Flutter apps and some Alexa skills. That's it.
Hmm.
So they didn't see much about it. They all they see is logical. I have attended PayPal interview also and Zeta, that is CodeChef interview also. So in those also they're asking only logical questions. So I would recommend everyone to do coding, competitive programming. But then when it comes to placement, you don't need to do so much as what you do in Code Forces. But then you can refer to Geeks for Geeks. It's like the Bible of interview.
Yeah. For placements,
Yeah.
especially.
So before attending any company, I would recommend you to see the interview experiences of that particular company in Geeks for Geeks, and then you start preparing. That will help you a lot. That will give you a head start.
Yeah. And in general, if you want to suggest for any other company or overall placement, then we.
See, most of the companies works in this way only. You don't need to bother much about aptitude. All you need to bother is about basics of computer science, and then coding is more important.
Yeah.
So why coding is they just want to see your logical thinking. If you're
Yeah.
logically strong and you're fundamentally strong, you can learn anything. You can join the company and also learn new things.
Hmm. Yeah.
So that's their belief.
Okay. Nice to hear you, Kaushik. Thanks a lot for sharing your experience.
Yeah, thank you, Ravi.
Yeah. So I hope कि तुम लोग को सारा कुछ समझ में आया हो whatever he had shared, and still if you have any doubt then you can comment below. I'll try to figure out all your problems, and ऐसे ही मेरे channel follow करते रहो. You would be getting more such helpful videos about placement procedures and my experiences. एंड मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं अपने इंटर्नशिप एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में भी एक वीडियो बनाऊँ, बट मुझे टाइम ही नहीं मिल रहा है. आई होप यू गाइज अंडरस्टैंड माई सिचुएशन. सॉरी फॉर दैट इरेगुलरिटी. एंड क्या, बस और कुछ नहीं. एंड हाँ, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक कर दो और शेयर भी करो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. हेल्प देम ऑल्सो. सो सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय बाय.